Good morning, people. Welcome to Phil's Workshop. Right, what are we up to? I want to be up to such a lot, but the weather's absolutely atrocious. So, I've got some new bits and bobs which I've ordered off Amazon. One of them is a new stand here for actually put my iPad on. The idea being, so is when I've got my camera set up over the other side, I can see it a lot better as to what's going on without looking towards the side there, so I've got it in front of me, which is more for my assistance than yours, so you get to look at this ugly puss a little bit more. What have I had? Right, okay, well, apart from that, it is, if I just get the box, hopefully you can see there of what it is. Oh, there we go. That's exactly what it's like, what you see on there. So it actually carries a tablet, and that's fastened to me workbench at the end. Brilliant. Very lovely piece of kit. And it's holding my iPad quite sturdily. A little bit worried about it, I must admit. About, I think about 30 quid, something like that. But for me, it's well worth it. The next thing is something that I've been thinking about for quite a while. And I thought to myself, well, should I get it or not? Is it going to be benefit or not? And that is on the Evolution, excuse me, on the Evolution miter saw, I saw it where it had got this other clamp that you can put on the front and clamp the wood to the fence. Now, I'm still not certain if it's a good idea, but having put it out there to another group that I was at, and having word with one or two friends that have actually got this, I decided to say, oh, what the hell, let's bite the bullet. And I'm quite surprised with what I got for my money. I got another clamp for it, which has got like a quick release. So you're not constantly threading up and down on the threads. Again, you've got the you've got the up and down at the shaft as you would expect, and of course you've got the slight recess there for when it's actually on the machine. So that's a better replacement for the one that's on there, which okay, I wasn't expecting that, but great. The next thing is, which I don't think it is going to be of much use, but there you go, is the little bag. Now, there'll be arguments for and against this, I know there will be, but there you go, the little Evolution dust bag. Good idea, bad idea. I mean, they're not, miter saws aren't the best for actually catching the for catching the bits. I doubt whether I should be using this, but okay, it came with what I actually wanted. And of course, the pipe reducer, which will come in quite handy. I'll be quite honest with you, that actually, it doesn't hold anything, it pushes it out. And I'm not holding the swat sleeve, I'm not holding the thingy, so, it's a bit, I'm sorry, Evolution, but it's a bit cack. I can't get that, but it's total bloody rubbish. But there you go, what can you do, It came with it. But that's the bit as I was actually after. I hold it like that because then I can get a full screen and you can see it. And what it does, from the front of the miter saw, there is a hole of which that goes into. There you go, you probably see that better. Actually goes into a hole. It's a peg. There you go. Now what this will do is this will hold it then from there with that there then up against the fence. Now of course, like being an intelligent person as I am, I was quickly trying this before I did the video. And I'm screwing this out. Didn't realise is again, once more, there's a little catch there. Bring it down and you can actually pull that out just like a quick release vice. And then push it back in again and it goes in. So there you have it. And then of course, like once it's in and it's locked, it then locks into there for its threads. So the actual construction of it is metal. The actual teeth part, now I can't, to be honest with you, I can't tell whether it's metal or I think it is. Yeah, it's got to be metal. Yeah, I would say it was metal. The top bit is there because it's standing the pressure that you're going on it. Why have I bought it? Well, mainly because I've got to do quite a few bits of cutting on this, and the other thing being that it keeps them away from the blade. Anything for safety, you know. Will I use it all the time? I don't know. I honestly don't know. Price wise, Amazon for the whole kit, I think it was 28 quid. I had it off Amazon, sorry, from Evolution was 29 quid. From Amazon it was 27 quid for the whole kit. That bit alone from Evolution was £13. But then if you just wanted that, you'd then got to pay postage. I didn't have a look to see how much the postage was, but the average postage for things coming out today is around about £5 or £6. So I thought to myself, well, for the extra few quid, we'll have the full kit. So we had the full kit. We will get some more of that up eventually when we get round to using it. But for now, that's two of the little goodies that I've had through. Another one that I've had, and I've been again, it was something else that I'd been toying around with for a few weeks. I run the SJ cam for my camera work. Before that I was using GoPro. Now at that particular time when I was using it, my computer wasn't that brilliant. It was like me, it was bloody ancient, it was well out of date. And it wanted redoing. Well, I had a word with a friend of mine about having it refurbished and it wouldn't have been worth it. So when the finish, I thought to myself, alright, I'll forget about it and leave it. So I bought myself the SJ cam. Now, the SJ cam will load up on the iPad. Brilliant, no problem whatsoever. But you've got to watch out which ones you go for. I've gone for the SJ cam SJ6 Legend, simply because it had got an external microphone connection. But it ends a bloody huge tail now. It's trying to get what the wiring diagram was for. I eventually got hold of it. Through hours of trawling through YouTube channels and goodness knows what else, I eventually got it. I then eventually got hold of the plugs that go in the side of the SJ cam, Legend, which is a mini USB, but the majority of mini USBs are 5-pin. I wanted a 10-pin. The reason being why I wanted the 10-pin is because not only did I want to put the microphone onto it, is I also wanted to charge it at the same time. Because I got used to the GoPro, the Hero 3 Pluses, which I've got to and I'm contemplating on selling them, I managed to get hold of what they call battery eliminators. So rather than worry about keep on charging the battery up or having a charged battery and changing it over, I could put a power pack underneath it, it bloody go on for hours and hours. And this is what I wanted to do with the SJ cam. But they don't make a battery eliminator. So I'm either going to look at making one myself for it, or for the time being, I'm just going to use it where I just put it into a power pack and then it charges itself up as it wants it. So what that ends up with is I end up with a normal USB-A, is it called, or a USB 1 connection, and a connection for the microphone. But the problem is getting somebody to do the soldering. Now I used to do rucks of soldering at work. That was part and parcel of my job. But unfortunately, with these failing, with arthritis and what have you, trying to work on something small is ridiculous. Now, I haven't got one of the things with me in front of me. I should have brought one with me. But what we're looking at is that. Now, if I bring that up there, oh, if it'll focus, there you go. That is a 0.1 tip. Now, there you go. That's up against my bloody big mauler, and that gives you an idea. Now, the other one is a 0.5, because literally what I'm soldering, or going to solder, is, again, very small. I bring it up. I'm trying to see what you see, There you go. Give you an idea. That's like the end of a pin. Well, the bit that I'm going to solder to is like a pin head. So, I bought them 2 units so I can get it done. I've trawled around locally trying to get it done, but most people, when you turn around and show them what I want doing, they go, no, you know, the guy that does that is away on holiday, blah, 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 and all this sort of business. Well, when we do back, always gone for a month or so take your pick on what you believe on that one. So that's another job I've got coming up. Hopefully I'm going to put that on camera as I'm actually doing the job. How it'll work out, I don't know yet, but hopefully that'll go on there. Me boxes which you saw I put up, I eventually got rid of those to all the family, and the girls of the family were well pleased with them, so as long as they're happy with them, I'm happy with them as well. Coming up as well, if I can rotate this around without causing too much aggravation. No, I can't. Right. I thought I could do something, but I can't. So I'll have to stay like that. There you go. Hopefully that will do. If I bring that up to that sort, I do apologise, people. I'm just playing around here. what I eventually hope to do is, now then, this is where one brings out his little magnetic pointer. In this area here, right, which is down that side there, down that way there, which is down towards where my boxes are and the door is, to right up to this area here, I'm going to put all shelves in that area. And what it is for, if I bring that around, that's a bit, you can see where my, actually original works toolbox. And I'll bring that back around again. Turn you back around so as you can see my big ugly bush. There you go. All good fun. I've got nowhere, when I've done all my cutting and what have you for the stuff that I'm going to make, I've got nowhere to put it. For want of a better word, I'm a mucky worker, my wife always says. Because I load everything up, the reason being is I know where stuff is and I can grab hold of it. But I haven't got that much room to store stuff, so the idea being that there's going to be a good storage area. Because now, since I've got rid of my old table saw, which my mate very gratefully had, and I've also got rid of the wife's scooter because she doesn't want to use it anymore with what she's going through. She wants to be as independent as possible, and she thinks, well, if she gets that bad to need one of them, then she won't be going out. So there you go. So sorry, this is a long waffle, and I'm trying to catch up with everything. So that's going to be a storage area. Again, videos will come out for that, and you'll see how that progresses. So for now, if you managed to reach at the end of this video, which you can see is quite a long one, I do apologise. Thank you very much. Have yourself a fantastic weekend. Let's hope this weather clears up so that I can get some other stuff done. If you like it, press OK. Leave me a comment about anything that I've said or whatever, or even about me and whatnot. All comments are gratefully received, and I will answer them. That is for sure. If you like it, please subscribe, because it helps my channel, it keeps me going as well. And of course, hit that bell, so as soon as I put another one, you'll get to know. Stay safe, be careful, don't rush, and always be in a slow-mo when you're working in the workshop. Bye-bye.